Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can permanently delete your Apple ID. So you used to use an Apple ID on all your Apple devices, but now you don't use it anymore, or there's some other reason to delete your Apple ID, but you can't figure out how you can delete your Apple ID. Watch this video till the end, follow the simple steps I do. You'll delete your Apple ID with no problem in no time. It's a very simple process, just stick with me till the end of the video. So, the first thing you want to do in order to delete your Apple ID is open a browser and go to appleid.apple.com. Once you go to appleid.apple.com, make sure you're logged into the account that you want to delete. If not, log into that account, then you'll land at an interface like this. Here, what you want to do in order to delete your Apple ID is scroll down, then go to the section labeled as data and privacy. In that section, you'll see an option labeled as manage your data and privacy. Click on that option. Once you click on that option, Apple will ask you to sign in to the Apple ID that you want to delete. So go ahead and sign in to the Apple ID that you want to delete. Once you sign into the Apple ID that you want to delete, Apple will send a two-factor authentication code to your phone number. Enter that code. Once you enter that code and successfully sign into the account that you want to delete, you land in an interface like this. From here, what you want to do in order to delete your Apple ID permanently is scroll down. Here you'll see a section labeled as deleted account. Below that section, you'll see an option labeled as request to delete account. So to delete your Apple ID, click on that. Once you click on that option, Apple will give you some instructions about what will happen if you delete your Apple account. So go through this information. Once you go through the information, scroll down. Here you'll need to select a reason why you want to delete your Apple account. So choose a reason why you want to delete your Apple account. Once you select a reason why you want to delete your Apple account, click on the continue button. Once you click on the continue button, Apple will tell you the things that are going to be lost once you delete your Apple ID. Go through it, make sure you're okay with all the things that will be lost once you delete your Apple ID. Then click on the continue button. Once you click on the continue button, go through the terms and conditions of deleting your Apple ID. Once you go through the terms and conditions of deleting your Apple ID, check this box to agree the terms and conditions and click on the continue button. Once you do that, Apple will ask you to choose a way to receive the information about your account. So choose the email or the phone number that you use to create your Apple ID, or choose a different email or different phone number to receive the information about your account status. Once you choose any of this option, click on the continue button. Once you click on the continue button, Apple will give you an access code to your account. You will want to keep this access code because you can use this access code to retrieve your Apple ID. You will be asked to enter this access code to delete your account as well. To save this code, write it down somewhere or save it in your notes or something. So click on the continue button. Once you do that, enter the access code here. Once you enter the access code, click on the continue button. A pop-up will open asking you for the confirmation to delete your account. So click on delete account option. Once you click on the delete account option, you'll successfully initiate your account deletion for your Apple ID. It might take up to 7 working days in order to delete your Apple ID permanently. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.